Hello everyone, my name is Cezmi Akdis. I am the director of the Swiss Institute of Allergy and Asthma Research and a professor in the University of Zurich Medical Faculty. It's a great pleasure to talk to you about the upcoming Asia-Pacific Allergy Asthma Immunology Congress, which will take place in Manila in the first week of December. I encourage you to come to this congress because there will be a lot of very exciting talks. I'll be there myself. And what I'm going to talk about is the epithelial barrier theory, which is quite new for you, for many of you. And it's also important to learn the reasons why allergic diseases have increased. I'll talk about the impact of around 350,000 molecules, chemical molecules that are introduced to our lives. And we have data in the lab on several of them, like detergents, dishwasher detergents, cleaners, sodium lauryl sulfate, emulsifiers, diesel exhaust, particulate matter, and many factors that change the epithelial barriers that make them leaky, and then the epithelitis starts and the immune response starts. And this immune response is together with a type 2 immune response, which we see in allergic diseases, in eosinophilic esophagitis, in chronic rhinosinusitis with nasal polyps, atopic dermatitis. So this is the basis of this. It will be very good to come together in this meeting and discuss the new developments in our specialty, new treatments, and ways for intervention and prevention. We look forward to seeing you all in the meeting and have a very good time until the meeting, and see you there in Manila.